and welcome to this painting tutorial. My name is Sandra and this is Art for All. If you would like to paint something similar to this, you're going to need a list of equipment like this. So before we get started, you've got two options later at the end to paint the flowers. You can use a brush, or you can use a stencil. And I've made them out of card like this. And I've made 3 different sizes. I used the internet to print off some flowers, poppies. And then I cut them out and use them to make these. So later it's your choice. You can decide which you use is best for you. Okay, so first we are going to paint the sky, this bit. We're going to use tone, light and dark. So today I'm using acrylic paints, and I'm doing a grey sky, and I have 3 different shades here. So we have dark grey, middle grey, and a light grey. Basically, we're going to paint, and paint, and it doesn't matter which way. I'm going to start the top with the light grey. A moment. If you find painting difficult, you can use guide using card. One, 2, 3. We start painting. So we're going side to side, not up and down, not round and round, side to side. Okay. Next, mid grey. I'm going to move this down. Don't have to use that, only if it helps you. Doesn't matter, be different. And I get the mid grey on. A little bit more. Then the white card underneath disappears. No more white. One more dark grey. And that's finished with. And I'm using the same brush for each part, so it doesn't matter, just the one is fine. So in there, one more. Oops, that. Okay, so can take your time with this painting. Next, I use a little bit of water to blend. So this is a clean brush. Tap it on there. Don't want too much water because the water will run down. So we're going to start at the top and we're going to blend. You're coming down like that. Clean it. Take it off. Tap it. And again. One more. Great. So finished with that. So next is a technique I use a lot with my classes here, especially Saturday Art Club. And these colours I'm going to use again the same light and dark for 3. You're going to like this. And then you get a piece of card. Cut this out. Maybe ask for some help for this to cut this out. And then we chop in. So we take our paint like that. And we press. We chop. So I've got 2 sizes, this one and this one. I'm going to start using this to fill up the area here. Just like this. Then you've got to leave it to dry, or you can dry it with a hairdryer. However, because that paint, the chopping is thick, it will take some time to dry. So that one I've left to dry, and I've started the flowers with some red. I've got 2 reds, and well, 1 pink dark and a red, and I use both of them to make the flowers. So again, you can 2 choices. So you can use the stencil. So let's show you how. Place it there. Take a brush. And you dab, tapping, dabbing, tapping, tapping, and dabbing, tapping, dabbing. I'm really sorry. Tapping. There we go. A little bit more. There. Or you can try without the stencil if you can. So let's go here. This. Let's seal that closely. I think we're nearly there with the. I think we're nearly finished with the flowers. Just a few more. Like that. Okay. And I'm just going to wipe this off, and that is finished. We're going to use that next with the flowers. I've got some black paint here. We're going to dot just a few in the centre of the flower. So, okay, so there we go. Let's take this. Actually, I'll just take that off so we can show you. There you go. So there. But you can try this technique, but with changing the colours. You could try some normal blue sky with green grass and some white flowers like this one. Put that one up there for you. Or you could try a different shape. Instead of a circle, you could use a square or a long piece of card to paint on. And then this. So this one, I have used some spray silver first, and then some turquoise blue acrylic for chopping, and then the same as this with the 2 red flowers. Okay, well, I hope you've liked this today, and if you try this at home, maybe with your family, please share your work with us. We have a Facebook page and we have an Instagram page. I'd absolutely love to see what you make. Bye bye.